This is the leather belt I just finished, and I'm going to show you how to make one. We start with a belt blank. Next thing we have to do is trace the holes and the end. Now we have to poke holes in it.
Okay. Good job. There you did it. Good job. Good job.
Now we have to make some smaller holes.
Loops.
Now I have to measure where the belt loops go. Now we're marking the belt loop holes.
Okay.
Now that we have the belt cut, now we're gonna use a grooving tool. Now that we're done with the grooving tool, we can now wet the leather. First we spray it. Now I'm gonna put a design on the belt.
Okay, I'll hold on to it. It's pretty.
Now that the belt's done, we're gonna dye it. Now that we dyed it, we'll let it dry. We glued the belt loop. So we put on the belt buckle. And then we have to put some screws in. Now we use leather conditioner to make the leather softer.